Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Fat Daddios PSQ-663, their anodized aluminum square cake pan. 6x3 because the internal dimensions is 6 inches by 6 and the height of this is 3 inches. Now this will fit perfectly in most large air fryers if you want to cook in your air fryer. This is anodized aluminum, so there's no coating on here that you have to worry about it peeling. It's because it's non-stick just based on the nature of the anodization of the aluminum. It's an ideal baking surface. It's a safe seal, anodized process. It creates a stronger baking pan that's safe to worry about things peeling off. It's durable, non-reactive finish. Will bake a variety of recipes, including citrus-based and savory recipes. So you can make pizzas in here, you can make cakes, you can make pies, just about anything that you want to bake in a square shape, this will work perfectly. Now this is going to have even temperatures all across because this is a very thick aluminum. I was very impressed with the quality of it. It's a commercial quality. Anodizing is not a coating, it's an environmentally friendly process that contains no chemical additives, dyes, Teflons, PFOAs, PTFEs, nothing that can transfer, peel, flake, or rust into your baking. This is built bakery tough. These are the same pans bakeries, commercial kitchens, and baking enthusiasts around the world depend on every day for professional results. Has a lifetime warranty and you can just hand wash this. That's what's recommended. So this is the Premium Signature series that we're talking about right here. It was introduced in 2006 after the company wanted to produce a safer baking pan that didn't have any coatings on there but still had the release qualities. This company's been around for 50 plus years. So they've been designing and manufacturing things. They were founded in Los Angeles in 1968. It's still family operated today. Pacific Northwest company continues to operate with the same family vision. So I'm going to be demonstrating how to make a 3-layer, 6-inch square Italian cream cake that has pecans and shredded coconut on the layers. It'll be frosted with a cream cheese based frosting with more pecans and some toasted coconut on top. So let's just look at this pan. As you can see, it is a perfect square. And what's really important, just I want to point out, is I've looked at many pans before I arrived at this one. And what do you notice right here? This is really 90 degrees. The majority of pans out there will have an angle and they will be tapered up like this. And then you don't end up with a square edge. And then when you go to frost it, you have a slight triangle. The only curve on here is a slight curve with a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch pitch right there. And that is absolutely minimal. And that is done for thermal conductivity and strength of this pan. It has a nice lip for rigidity. And as I mentioned, this is very, very thick aluminum. I actually have 3 of them. I'll show you right here. That's 2 and 3. And I'm going to use all 3 of these at the same time to bake that cake. So what's my overall opinion about the Fat Daddy-O's PSQ-663 anodized aluminum square cake pan, 6 by 3 inches? I think this is an excellent value. You won't find any other pan that has this size with this true 90-degree edge right here, and with this release quality of this anodized aluminum. You don't have to worry about the coating, chipping, or peeling. This is an excellent product, and I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you alert to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helps you with all your buying decisions. Thank you for watching.